a confirmed tornado on the ground. This is south of Dallas in Navarro County. I just want to point out this area, probably this particular cell right down here. If you are in that warning area or you have spotted a tornado, you need to take cover immediately.
Differently, so it is a sensitive issue. That's why I'm really careful how I post. Oh, we got more people to take another picture. We'll come right in. But I'm living at the Hampton Inn for the next several months. Jason actually is the general contractor. He was here that Sunday. Ryan was here to help vet him. So just to make sure, comes with great reviews. So he was like, yeah. And Amanda was here. I'm so sorry. Both of Ryan and Amanda were here. Ryan and Amanda were here to vet them, to help me, because I could have accepted anybody at that moment, or I was too skeptical, one or the other. And they tarped the house down and saved a lot of stuff that we could. But anywhere you see tarp was actually 100% exposed to the home. So it blew the. We really believe that because of all the broken windows and the holes in the roof and then the door busting out, that it actually saved the home. It became a wind tunnel. If you haven't been through the house, you're more than welcome to walk through. It was 1,000 times worse. Most of the walls would be stripped, filled with little beads of glass, shards of glass all over the home. Upstairs, my daughter's bedroom, those of you that saw the blue sheet in the back, that came out from one of those two windows up there and flew to the back. So, I mean, this stuff's real. I've never been part of one before. I'm trying not to get emotional, but this stuff is very real when you think of it. When I look at my daughter's room and I realize most likely she would have been in the room. And that, to me, that's real stuff. So I said we have no health insurance claim, we have no life insurance claim, I have nothing to complain about. And I truly believe that, I live that, whether that's a Christian statement, non-Christian statement, whatever you believe, it's just the way I live. I mean, this is just stuff. So now we got to deal with the stuff, but it's just stuff. So, and I'm just very thankful. I remember the day of shopping with my daughters and my granddaughter. and that's how I want to remember the day. So I appreciate you guys. This is difficult for me. I've never really been on a receiving end like this. I will be honest with you, it's hard for me. But I greatly, greatly appreciate it. It means more than you realize. Let's get a picture. Let's get a picture with them in there.